Sindhi curry, Tariyal Machi, Dal Pakwan, Beji Tikki. Indulge in an unlimited Sindhi community-style meal in Mumbai. 15 dishes, all unlimited, and that too just for $1,000. Now tell me, isn't that a steal deal? वैसे तो सिंधी लोग कई चीजों के लिए जाने जाते हैं, but if there is one thing that stands out, तो वो है उनका खाना. And we at Curly Tales are offering a Curly Tales exclusive sit-down, unlimited Sindhi community-style meals only for our followers. Come on in and let's find out. Just by Simple and Curly Tales are organizing 12 sit-down meals starting March 7th.
Hi guys, I'm Sanat Ahuja. This is my mom Kanchan Ahuja. We run Just by Simple, an authentic Sindhi restaurant.
And these recipes all are so authentic, passed down generations. You're going to get the experience of having these very authentically home cooked recipes. After me, my nanny, my mom, everybody, it's also Sanat who has that in him, like he can really cook a good Sindhi meals. Do come and enjoy.
Well, so Just by Simple is run by 2 generations of Sindhis, and all of this that you see here, all this deliciousness is not normally available on their menu, and it's only made specially for this community experience, and you get this at a discounted rate exclusively on Curly Tales for just 1,000 rupees. You can choose from 2 options, the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian meal. The unlimited vegetarian meal includes Gulanjo Sharbat, which is an authentic Sindhi household drink made of fresh mogra flowers, Khicha, a Sindhi papad made of rice flour served with a special green chutney, Bee Pakoda, a lotus stem pakoda which is a traditional Sindhi evening snack, Aloo Tuk, crispy deep fried potato wedges topped with delicious Sindhi masalas, Mini Dal Pakwan, which is a mini Sindhi crispy flatbread topped with chana dal and an assortment of chutneys. So this is Dal Pakwan and it's actually a popular Sindhi breakfast. The good thing is that you can customize this, okay? You can make it as spicy or as sweet as you want. I love it. Sindhi curry, the iconic Sindhi dish which has Indian vegetables cooked in a tomato basin curry.
The Sindhi curry doesn't actually translate to the normal curry usually which people know the Dahi one. This Sindhi curry means the curry to boil, and Sindhi actually curry means to boil. So we have, in order to get a flavor of the tomato and besan, you have to boil it for a longer period of hours, and we don't use any curd in our curry. Methi paneer, Phool patasha, a traditional Sindhi vegetable made with makhanas, peas and potatoes, Bengan raita, steamed rice, Sindhi pulkas, and for desserts you have Singarji mithai and Sindhi china grass. So the meal is served in true community style where everyone here sits together and gets to enjoy great food and make new friends. Wait, there's a non-vegetarian option too. Let's go see what that is. The non-vegetarian option includes all the vegetarian dishes and these meaty additions. Khimeji tikki, which is a spicy fragrant keema tikki made with Sindhi spices, potatoes and breadcrumbs. Tariyal Machi, which is pan-fried fish topped with delicious Sindhi masalas. Sindhi mutton curry, which is tender mutton slow-cooked in Sindhi dhag. The non-veg thal is normally served for 1,600 rupees, but you now get it at a Curly Tales exclusive price of just 1,200 rupees. Of course, I've had mutton curries before, but Sindhis call this the Sindhi mutton curry. So let's see what's really different about this. This is so tasty. It's got like this tomatoey flavor, and from what I understand, this is actually used with caramelized onions, and you can actually tell the difference. It's so tasty. I mean, if you're a non-vegetarian, this is going to be the highlight of your thal. To know more about the schedule, log on to the deal section of curlytales.com. Well, that was a great meal. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is Natasha Montero signing off.